Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sue and thank you so much for watching this video. Anyways, sorry for my background because my room is more of a storeroom right now and I can't do anything about that, so deal with it. And actually, the main purpose of this video is I wrote something in my diary and I really thought I wanted to share it with you guys actually. So I hope you like it and let's begin. So I was, thinking lately about, life, relationships, and people who are just, generally in our life. These questions and these thoughts come across my mind so many times. That's why I want to share it with you. That I think, like I read it somewhere that in our old age, like when we were just sitting and chilling, when we have done everything and we are just chilling and reflecting on our life, we'll think about all the things, the chances we never make, and the steps we didn't take, or the people that we should have were close to us and we should put more efforts in that and we didn't try to make out that relationship or something like that, or that we didn't stay in touch with them because of any reasons, and that will hurt us, because that will make us regret and feel guilty about us and the things we didn't do with them, because after all everything we do, like at the end the only things matters is you are with the people that value you, the people that makes you happy, the people who stand by you, the people that you can be yourself, and the people who makes you feel like home. It matters the most, and if you have the people in your life, please stay in touch with them, keep up with them, ask them how are they, and please don't lose the vibes you have, the bond you have, because in that sense every relationship takes efforts, takes times, and yes, if you can give it, that's the best thing in the world. And I don't know, I was just super emo right now, that I wrote so many things about life and my, particularly my relationships with everyone, with my closest friends, which I'm really grateful for. And honestly, I feel so grateful that I found those, and they are like the best people in my life, and I'm super glad that I met them. And because honestly it's hard, I just want to say, just hold on the people which you feel like home, because life changes every second we are getting older, even if we don't if we didn't realize it, but we are getting older by each and every second passes, and it is scary. Like this will not come again, and the people we have, the time we have with them, the you know the time we share with each other, it will never come again. And it's scary. Like I don't want to lose on anything. I want no I want to I just want to pause every moment and just appreciate everyone, because all are so important in my life, and I'm really so blessed. you know it makes me wonder that how can't we live some moments for forever? Like, remember that birthday you had, remember that party you planned for your best friend, and remember that laughter you shared. And that's the beautiful things about life, people, memories. Oh my god, we share, we experience, we cry, we laugh, we feel, you know we smile. Like I started doing this, that whenever I'm feeling that I'm in that moment, like I feel you feel that vibe, that you are in that perfect moment that you want to cherish for forever. Just pause for a second and have a look around on the people's face, on their smiles, on the memories you are creating right now, the things you are doing right now, and just have a big up visualizing picture on your mind for your memory, and it will be with you forever. Like seriously, I started doing this and I think that's the best thing. I feel more grateful about my life. Whenever something like this is happening, I just pause for a second and remind myself that this is the moments I want to live. I want to live my life again and again, and these are the people who care about me the most, and these are the moments of my life which I want to cherish in my old age days. So I just appreciate everything, and that makes me more grateful about my life as well. Because life is all about the little moments. Capture it on your mobile phone as well as on your memories, because come on Instagram, but like, yeah, I can feel you, but anyways, before it all becomes memory, just capture it in your mind, and it will stay there forever. So yes, I don't know this video will even make sense, or the thing I wanted to share with you all, but this is something that I felt about how life changes in like seconds, and we forget to appreciate the little things we feel or the people we love, and like, you have no idea what life has to offer on the pretty next moment, and how life just change every second. So this is what makes me appreciate my every single day, and make me feel more grateful about my life. So I hope this video was helpful and not depressing. Oh my god, why I'm sounding like this? But yes, I hope this video was helpful for you, and have a great weekend, everyone. And yeah, we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. सब्सक्राइब कर देना मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को, एज वेल एज ऑन मी इंस्टाग्राम. कम ऑन. एंड या 2K जल्दी करना है इंस्टाग्राम पे, सो प्लीज़ फॉलो मी दैट एज वेल. यस, विल सी यू गाइस इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय. आई होप यू एंजॉय दैट. बाय.